friends, Running Kimono here. So we're going to talk about two stores for the midweek haul. We have Walgreens and we also have Rite Aid, the store I'm always like, I'm not shopping there. And then I always end up there. Hey friends, so I made a video a couple days ago about the IBOTTA, this turkey offer, and a lot of people were not happy with it. That the fact that you had to unlock it by doing a certain amount of rebates to get the free turkey, and people were not pleased with it. I think it's a little bit more fair than previous years where you needed a referral. If you are a new sign up to the IBOTTA app, once you've downloaded the app, submitted your first qualifying receipt, my understanding is that the rebate will just appear on your account for new signups only. But for us older shoppers, we're gonna have to earn it. I actually finished my rebates in 2 days, so I did like 16 rebates in 2 days. I got like a midweek bonus and a whole bunch of other stuff, so it was okay. But I did unlock this guy, then I walked right back into Walmart and I started scanning the birds to see how this works. A lot of people are getting turned around where you think you can only get that 3-pound breast, but that is not the case. Once this is opened in the IBOTTA app, I went to the regular, like the full birds. A lot of them were $18. Very expensive. Some of them were in their 20s, bigger birds. And guess what, guys? That rebate is attaching. So if I bought an $18 turkey, I would pay that, and then IBOTTA would give me $14 back. That's how it works. So hopefully that makes a little bit of sense. And then what I went with was a turkey breast. So this is 6 pounds of meat. It's not that small little roast. And I paid for it. It was like $14.98. And then I got $14 back. So I paid 98 cents for 6 pounds of turkey breast meat. This is a favorite for both myself and my husband. So I got a 6-pound turkey breast for 98 cents, which I think is really great. Guys, I hear you. A lot of you are complaining about the lack of sides. There's only 3 sides in this rebate. So you get a packet of the McCormick gravy mix, a can of the Ocean Spray cranberry, and then a box of the Jiffy corn mix. Before that, it used to be like Coke, frozen vegetables, a whole bunch of stuff, and it's just been reduced down to this. I agree with you. But the way that it was staged in the store, I'm still thinking that maybe the people who participate in this, will they unlock some more for us as we get closer to Thanksgiving? Wouldn't that be nice? Maybe it's wishful thinking. I don't know. First store that we have is Walgreens, and this is a complete freebie on the Aussie hair care products. So they are $3 a pop, and this is part of a promotion of buy 2, get back a $4 store register reward, so it equals to free hair care. So if this is your thing, this is absolutely a deal you should be doing this week. So grabbing 2 of them, and yes, I did mix and match, and the register reward still printed. I do like that 3-minute miracle. I think it's quite fantastic. So what you're going to do is grab 2 of these products priced at $3 a pop, and then in your digital coupons folder, we have this one, which is a 3 off of 2. Please make sure you have it loaded. The math, guys, 2 of the Aussies is $6. Subtracting that 3 off of 2 digital, you're paying 3 out of pocket. Getting back a $4 register reward, making this free plus a $1 money maker. So a very smart little deal. I know that at my local store, whenever I try to use Walgreens cash with these register reward deal, the register reward doesn't frickin' print. So I always just pay cash now just to make sure there's no problems. And mysteriously, it fixed the issue. So who really knows? Give you eyes on the register reward. This is what it looks like, $4 back store coupon, and I'm going to show you a couple deals where I actually used this. The next deal with IBOTTA, we're going to look at 2 little IBOTTA deals, is to grab 2 of these Oral-B charcoal. Sorry guys, I thought I had taken a photo in the store. Either I'm lying or I forgot, but they're $4 a pop, so that's $8, but definitely make sure you're grabbing the right ones. We have this digital coupon, which is a $3 off of 2. And if you head over to your IBOTTA account, there's a $1 back for each toothbrush. So that's a little bit of turkey money for Aunt Rach here. Grabbing 2 of those toothbrushes, that's $8 on the nose. Subtracting that digital coupon, you're going to pay $5. Get back a $5 register reward. Get $2 back from IBOTTA, making this free plus a $2 moneymaker. My register reward, for whatever reason, didn't print, but the very nice manager gave me $5 in Walgreens cash. Just stupid thing. This one store, notoriously, register rewards don't print, so that happened to me. The next deal that we have is with the Dickinson. It's a witch hazel pore perfecting toner. So if this is your thing, you love skincare, you could probably use witch hazel on a bunch of different things. But in the store, they're $4.99. Skincare this month is buy 2, get one for free, which is a really fantastic deal. Now, remember I was talking about that $4 store register reward? I wanted to use one in this transaction, so I definitely busted one out of my wallet. If you go over to your IBOTTA account, there's $368 back when you buy two of them. So it's basically going to make two of them for free. So looking at this deal, guys, we're grabbing three for $9.98, subtracting that $4 store register reward, pay $5.98, make a submission to IBOTTA for $4.68. It makes it $1.30 for the three, or 43 cents per. If you can't find the toner, the wipes will work also with the rebate. You definitely need to scan the barcodes with the IBOTTA app. And yes, you can use Walgreens cash to pay this down and get that IBOTTA rebate. Okay, the next deal we're going to talk about is curbside. I know there was a free deal with some L'Oreal skincare yesterday, but unfortunately you needed a store that had that coupon, and you can't scan anything off of a phone around here. So I basically did this deal, three of the L'Oreal collagens, again, curbside. We have this digital coupon, which is a $15 off of two. It's a very generous coupon. So grabbing three of these, remember skincare is buy two, get the third for free. Either the scent free or the regular scent one. So I put three in a basket. And then after that digital coupon came off, and with the free item, it's $11.48 for the three. I used $10 in Walgreens cash and paid $1.48. I think this isn't the worst deal for this nighttime cream. So I'm really excited to try it. Now, these little Dawns are 99 cents on a sale this week, and I don't know, I just really wanted to stock up on this. This is one item family and friends are always asking for, so I definitely threw in one of these $4 store coupons because I need to use them so I don't forget about them. Grabbing 5 of those Dawn dish soaps priced at 99 cents. That's $4.95. Subtracting that $4 store coupon, you're paying 95 cents. It is okay to use a little bit of Walgreens cash to pay down the balance. I think it was like $1.01 or $1.05. So I definitely used $1 of Walgreens cash and laughed all the way to the bank and back. Now, the degree coupon reset on Sunday. We got a very generous $7.50 off of two, making these like 96 cents each. Either the men or the women, it is your choice, but we're grabbing two at $6.29. This is the digital coupon, which is a $7.50 off of two. So these are the two that I picked up, and I really wasn't thinking much because I don't really inspect the names or whatever they call these deodorants. But Sexy Intrigue, yeah, what a great title for this. We had a teenager helping me, ringing up my order, and he was laughing when he looked at that. And I'm like, oh my gosh, of course I'd pick the most embarrassing one. But thank you, Degree, for that wonderful moment. So I grabbed two of these, and they are BOGO 50% off. So for two of them, it's $9.43. Subtracting that digital coupon, pay $1.93 for the two, or 96 cents per deodorant. Again, it is okay to use a little bit of Walgreens cash to pay down the balance, and don't grab the embarrassing one like yours truly. Okay, guys, so now we are over at Rite Aid, and this was quite the interesting little haul. The Revlons are free and a moneymaker, and using that flu coupon, which is a 5 off 25, well, I had like $7 of extra to make that basket really work. So this was like a complete freebie and amazing deal. Now, if you're a serious Rite Aid shopper, you definitely have to sign up for these bonus cash challenges. When I'm going to be doing 3 visits in the next 2 months, I'm getting an extra $5 back that will be rewarded to me at the beginning of January. So they've extended it by 2 months, and also you can get up to 10 challenges going. If you're interested, link in the notes. Very easy to sign up, and start your bonus cash challenges. Okay, back to my haul. I picked up 2 of these Revlon. It's just a very plain Jane basic hair dryer. So they are 35% off. So it's like $8 and some change for this dryer. And I picked up 2 of them. Thankfully, the store had 2 of them. The tag's a little closer, and you get $10 of bonus cash when you buy 1. So buying 2 of them, I'm getting $20 of bonus cash. Now, we have this new flu coupon, which is 5 off 25. So with the purchase of the 2 hair dryers, I was like at $17 and some change. So I needed to get an extra like $7. So I grabbed a bunch of Dawn dish soap. But definitely what you're going to do is get $25 of merchandise. For that extra $7, grab whatever you want in the store. I grabbed some dish soap. But get the cashier to scan this barcode, grab a screenshot, and it should work for you. Okay, friends, looking at the receipt, my two little compact hair dryers are $8.63. And then I have like $7 of Dawn dish soap. The 5 off 25 flu coupon came off. My total was $20.63. And then I was rewarded back $20 in bonus cash. And then I have one tracking for the visit the store 3 times and spend at least 15, get, $5 back. So that is really a win-win-win and just an easy deal just to roll some bonus cash. As you could see with tax, it was $21.87, and I got my $20 back. So it essentially made the 3 Dawn dish soaps and the 2 hair dryers free. And I think that's going to make a really lovely Christmas gifts for my sister-in-laws. Okay, that's it for this video. As always, thanks for watching. We'll catch you in the next one. Bye, guys.